Hello everyone, this is a request video. Gunjan, I hope you remember that 2 weeks ago you had requested me to give some questions from the Mercy speech, The Merchant of Venice, Act 4, Scene 1. In today's video, I have tried to incorporate some very important questions from the Mercy speech. I hope, Gunjan, you will watch this video. Come on, everyone. Let us now read the passage. It's from line 191. But mercy is above this sceptred sway. It is enthroned in the hearts of kings. It is an attribute to God himself. An earthly power doth then show likest gods when mercy seasons justice. This is the passage. The questions and answers. Identify the speaker. Where are they? Question number 1, 2 subparts, change paragraph. Portia, who has disguised herself as Balthazar and is dressed like a doctor of laws, is the speaker. They are in Venice at the court of justice. Learn the settings of each and every scene. This is question number 1. And I'll move on to question number 2 now. Why does the speaker speak about mercy in the given extract? Portia tries to convince Shylock to show mercy towards Antonio, although he is legally entitled to exact the penalty. Portia explains the significance of mercy to Shylock. So, this is the answer. This is how you write an answer. The next question, change paragraph. Who else had appealed for mercy earlier? The Duke had appealed for mercy earlier. And what was the outcome of the appeal? Another question, change paragraph. Shylock refuses to listen to the Duke's appeal and bluntly says that he will definitely get the penalty to which he is entitled by the terms of the bond. The outcome of the appeal is thus futile. So, question number 2 has 3 subparts. I have changed paragraphs and I have not repeated anything. Frame your answers in such a way so that you avoid repetition. The next question now, question number 3. Why should mercy, according to the speaker, who is the speaker? It's Portia, disguised as Balthazar. Why should mercy, according to the speaker, season justice? Mercy is an essential quality of God, who is the supreme power of the universe. An earthly power then acquires a divine quality when a man softens, seasons the rigor of the demands of justice by showing mercy. So, why should justice be seasoned with mercy? So that it acquires a divine quality. Shylock has taken his stand on justice, but he must consider that if the principles of justice were to be rigidly enforced, none of them will receive the grace of God. Therefore, justice must always be softened with mercy. I hope you have read this answer, and I'm moving on to the next question. It's question number 4. This section is very, very important. Learn all the annotations, read the speech properly, read the paraphrase as well. Question 4. What legal tactics does the speaker adopt to get a favorable judgment? So, what legal tactics? How will Portia win the case for Antonio? Save Antonio from the clutches of the cruel Jew Shylock. Let's see. Portia states that Shylock is legally entitled to cut off a pound of flesh from nearest Antonio's bosom, but he must not shed any blood. According to the terms of the bond, he is legally entitled, okay, but he is not legally entitled to shed any drop of blood. He is free to cut off the pound of flesh, but in doing so, he must not shed a single drop of Antonio's blood. He must not cut off less than an exact pound or more than an exact pound of flesh. This is the legal tactics adopted by Portia. She is so intelligent that she manages to outwit Shylock. He will be sentenced to death and all his possessions will be seized by the state. State always in capital S, capital. If the excess or deficiency is a fraction of the 20th part of one little grain in weight to a single hair. Thus, Portia adopts this legal tactics to get a favorable judgment. Mercy is shown by human beings as naturally and spontaneously as the gentle drops of rain fall from the sky above down to the ground below. Mercy is not a quality which is felt or shown under any compulsion. It has to come out naturally and spontaneously. Mercy is a double blessing. It is the most powerful feeling in those who have the highest authority. It suits a king sitting on his throne better than his crown suits him. It is greater than the worldly authority which is symbolized by the rod, the scepter. People pray to God for mercy, and the very fact that they do so teaches them all to perform merciful acts in the course of their lives. Well, this speech has been delivered by Portia in order to convince Shylock to be a little merciful. These are some questions from the mercy speech, and you may also get questions like explain, and there may be expressions which you will be asked to explain. So learn the annotations as well, the word meanings as well. I hope you will like this video, and if you like this video, do subscribe to our channel, like, share and comment.